Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device and verifying credentials. You need your current SIM-PIN. Without it, you cannot change lock settings. Once ready, make sure battery level is above 20% and you're on a stable network. Open Settings and go directly to Security, Lock Screen, or SIM Card Manager depending on your phone. Tap the SIM you want to modify. This first step gets you to the exact controls where the SIM-PIN toggle and verification fields are located, so you can act now. You will now disable the SIM-PIN itself. Tap the SIM-PIN toggle, and the system will immediately prompt you to enter the current PIN. Type it carefully because repeated failures trigger the PUK lock. If you see a PUK prompt, retrieve the PUK code from your carrier and follow on-screen steps to reset the PIN. Once accepted, turn the SIM-PIN toggle off and confirm any system dialogues. Make sure to save the new state and avoid guessing, so you do not escalate to a full SIM lock. You finish by verifying the change. Reboot the phone and watch for the SIM-PIN prompt. Once off, the network should connect without asking for a SIM code. If the SIM still asks for a PIN or shows locked status, stop and contact your carrier with your account info, IMEI, and PUK code ready. They can reset the SIM remotely or issue a replacement. If you changed settings unintentionally, re-enable the PIN using the same menu to restore protection and document the PIN in a secure place.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.